In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background in your video without using a green screen, any plugins, or having to go into After Effects. We're going to do this completely inside of Premiere using their new masking tools. So let's get right into it. Alright, so once we're in Premiere, I got a clip of me talking right here, filmed against the normal wall in my room like you saw in the intro. And I want to completely remove the background and replace it with something else. So I'm going to grab the Object Mask tool from the toolbar on the left side. It's this one right here that looks kind of like a person that's dotted out. If you don't see it, long press on this mask tool group here and then it'll appear. Now hover over to your subject in the program monitor and Premiere has already started detecting me. You'll see this color overlay that highlights when it recognizes the subject. Now just click on it. Now Premiere has just built a mask around my entire body. If there's any spots you need to add or remove, just circle around them with the tool, like a lasso tool, and it should automatically highlight everything inside. Or if you need to remove any, do the same thing, but just hold Alt and circle around it, and then it'll remove the clips inside of the circle. Now we just need to track it. Hit the forward track button next to the mask controls, and then let Premiere track the mask throughout the whole clip. Now that that's done tracking, it's sitting in the unassigned mask sections in my effect control panel. It's a mask that exists, but it's not doing anything yet, and we need to assign it to an effect. So in the effect control panel, find the opacity section and drag that mask down to the opacity section, just like this. And then just like that, your background's gone. Now all we have to do is put something behind it. Drag whatever background footage you want into the spot right above your footage, and then you just created a new background without using a green screen or anything. And then that's how you create a new background in Premiere without using a green screen. It's not perfect, but if you're in a pinch and you want to just change something out and you don't have a green screen available, it definitely can work for you.